Hi guys, it's Jordan here from NSM and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna take care of the DailyFoz because this is another DailyFoz vlog. Stay tuned. And the first thing I'm gonna do today is something really important. Is to remove those ugly stickers. Really, I can't stand them anymore. They really need to be gone. So let's do that. And to do so, I'm gonna use a heat gun and this. So what's left of the sticker and the glue is gonna be softer and easier to remove. Okay, that's already better. It's way easier than I thought. Maybe this one is gonna be a bit more tricky. And there is a translucent one on the other side. And I'm gonna have to remove all the glue after that. And maybe treat or cover this massive scrap here. Let's continue, guys. Okay, so that's way better already. On this side it's brand new, but on this side I had some weird reaction on the paint under the sticker, plus I think it was here for a very long time, so they have like different shades and it's kind of weird. So what I'm gonna try is to use those polish pads with the drill and try to make it a little bit better, but it's already really better. And after that I'm gonna take care of this massive scrap. Okay, and now I'm gonna take care of this massive scrap here with this brush. I actually got it for like a very long time, never used it. You know, the color is pretty much the same, so I think it should be good. It's a bit rusted, so I'm gonna sandpaper it first, and then apply a bit of gray. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so I'm done with those stickers and I'm gonna say it once again, it's way better. I mean, just look at that. It feels like a brand new car. Okay, just kidding. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but I think you can't really understand how better it is for me. And as you can see, I'm all dressed for work because I use the DailyFoz well on a daily basis to get to work every day, and I'm just get off to work to film this part of the video. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. I have tons of parts coming for the DailyFoz, but also the TactiFoz. So you better stay tuned. There's a lot more coming. DailyFoz vlog. Awesome parts for the TactiFoz as well. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It always helps. You can also check my Instagram account for epic pictures of both of my Forester. I actually just took a couple of pictures with the sunset, which is right in my eyes right now, but pretty epic pictures too. So feel free to subscribe, to follow me on Instagram. You can also check my website for awesome articles I write during the weekends. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.